I want to see if this cheap bullet putter will work with this Callaway triple track golf ball. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I bought this bullet putter here, and this is a BL2, and what this BL2 has here on the back are these lines, and what's actually interesting about them is that they are red and black, but they kind of look like the triple track lines on a Callaway golf ball, so I thought I would just try to line them up and see how close they are. So here is the Callaway golf ball, and one of the things that I will tell you is that those lines are pretty nice. So if you were kind of behind the golf ball, you can use those lines to line up the golf ball towards the hole when you're about to putt. But the Odyssey putters that have the equivalent triple track lines on them are pretty expensive. They start at like 250 bucks. Now this putter here, which starts at 20 bucks, I noticed also has lines on the back. And what's nice about them is that they kind of line up pretty well with these triple track lines. Now, you can see obviously on the bullet lines here, the spacing between the lines is much wider than it is here. But if I just take a look at it, like I'm about to putt, and I put this red line up here, what it actually does is it allows me to see how my putter is lined up to that pretty well. Even though those black lines don't line up with those blue ones, you can kind of see here that if the putter is slightly turned, you'll see that those lines are pretty visibly cockeyed to each other. And so when you do get them lined up like that, you can be assured that you are lined up. So I think this putter, even though it's only 20 bucks, is actually a pretty good putter for using with the triple track golf balls. Now I can know it's lined up and I can go ahead and putt it and feel good about having it lined up. So if you want to pick up this putter, I think it's actually a pretty good, inexpensive alternative for being pretty compatible with the Callaway triple track golf balls. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.